interesting piece. This is from the film Phantom Thread by Paul Thomas Anderson. All right, so this is it. This is what I'll play for you, about 20, 30 seconds of music, so you can hear what it sounds like. And then I'll teach you to do the same. Give you the fingering, give you the notes, and the rhythm, of course. Everything you need to get this thing underway. Here's what it sounds like. And then the theme begins. That's what we're going to look at in this series of tutorials. If I'm ever moving too fast throughout this tutorial, please slow it down. At the bottom right-hand corner, you have that little function that allows you to change the speed, and you'll be able to follow along. So let's get started with the left hand. Very simple start, C major, 5, 3, and 1. You have 3 of these chords under the same pedal. Moving on, we have the top 2 fall to 3 and 2, E flat and G flat, 3 times under a different pedal. So what I mean by that is you have the pedal down for these 3, and then change pedal for these 3. Wherever there's a change in the left hand, the pedal changes as well. Moving on, we have 4, 2, and 1, 3 times. Thumb falls to A flat 3 times. Moving on, we have the same chord that we started with, 5, 3, and 1, 3 times. Again, top 2 fall 3 times. The next chord is familiar as well, 3 times. The final chord is this, 4, 2, and 1. And you hold that for a bit. Now the right hand is as follows. We have 1, 2, 3. Thumb moves underneath to 1, 2, 3 again. Oops, that should be an A flat, pardon me. So we do that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next we have 1, 2, 3. And then another 1, 2, 3. Lots of patterns to take advantage of here. Moving on to the next bar, we have all the fingers going down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third finger comes across the thumb to 3, 2, 1. The next 2 notes are the only notes that are not quarters. Everything so far has just been quarters, very regular. 2, 5, and then 1 and 2. All right, so just to show you how those 8th notes interact with the rest, from here, fairly slow. And then these 2 notes are going to be twice as fast. And then this, you sit and wait. Now when you put them together, it's very straightforward because wherever the left hand plays, the right hand plays as well. Together, together, together. And one thing to notice here is the hands on paper both have a G, right? 2 thumbs on a G. That doesn't make sense to actually do that. So to start, even though the page says play the thumb on G in the first chord, since you have the right hand here to do that for the left, have the right hand do that for the left. So just eliminate the left hand thumb until the next chord. So it's this to start, and then this is next. And then it continues as you've learned. You see? And what you'll notice here is that I'm holding the right hand. I'm keeping it connected. But the left hand, I can't really hold, right? because it's all the same chords. If you do that, even if it's pedaled, some people might think, why should I connect if it's pedaled? The force of attack or the attack itself changes depending on how you attack the note. So even if it's pedaled, you'll still hear that it's not as fluid, as liquid as it would be if you connected it. So anyway, play together. Every note aligns. Very easy. Together, 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 right together. You hold that for a bit. And we have this little flourish. It sounds fancy, but it's not. It's just the same 3 notes played with both hands, right? 5, 3, and 1, B, D sharp, and G, B, D sharp, and G, with a pinky on B again. So we have going all the way up, back down the same way. Right hand reaches across and plays the exact same notes they played up here. You play down here. It's like kind of a harp, you know? Arpeggiation. And this is not measured, so you don't have to worry about, you know, is it a quarter, is it a half, is it whatever? It's just this kind of flourish that's unmeasured. Shouldn't feel like it has a pulse. And moving on, we're going to have the theme proper, which is... That one is a little trickier because of all the thirds, but it's doable. If you take your time and practice conscientiously and with a relaxed hand, with the right fingering, you'll be fine. But I'll take care of that in the next tutorial, which is on our website. It's free to join us. Join me there, find the sheet music, and find the rest of the tutorial and finish the piece. The rest of the entire piece is also going to be on there. I've divided it into 2 series, 2 small series of tutorials, and you can find everything on the website. Hope to see you on there. Thanks for joining me here. Subscribe if you feel I've earned it. And yeah, leave a comment. Let me know how it is. All right, guys, take care and see you in the next one.